In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Lovable SaaS. We'll walk through setting up a new project in Lovable, crafting a strong prompt, and using an example that generates a complete production-ready SaaS foundation. First, open your browser and head to lovable.dev. Make sure you're on a modern browser and logged into your account. If you're new, quickly create an account so your work is saved. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can start building immediately. Next, create a new project. Look for the button labeled New Project and give your project a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later. Names like TaskFlow or Client Hub are easier to manage than something generic. If Lovable offers options for app type or framework presets, choose the web app starter that best matches what you want to build so the generator has the right foundation. Now you'll describe your SaaS app. Before typing, take a moment to think about who it's for, the main problem it solves, and the must-have features. The clearer your intentions, the better the generated outcome. Be specific about user roles, core entities, and the workflows you want to support. Avoid vague buzzwords. Instead, describe real actions and outcomes. In the AI prompt box, write a detailed description. Good prompts include what users can do, how data should be structured, and any essential integrations. If you need subscriptions, state that you want pricing tiers and billing integration. If an admin experience matters, say what admins must see and control. If responsive design and visual insights are important, mention charts, notifications, and mobile-friendly layouts. Clarity here saves you time later. If you'd like a head start, here's an example prompt you can adapt to your needs. Build a SaaS web app for task management with user authentication for sign-up and login, a dashboard with a task overview, the ability to create, edit, and delete tasks, and the ability to assign tasks to projects. Include subscription plans with Stripe integration, an admin panel to manage users and subscriptions, and a responsive UI with charts and notifications. Keep the structure clean, intuitive, and scalable. When you submit the prompt, Lovable will generate the app's structure based on your description. You'll see the pieces you requested, such as authentication, a task dashboard, Herud for tasks, project assignment, subscription logic with Stripe, admin tools, and a responsive interface that includes charts and notifications. If anything reads ambiguous, refine your wording and resubmit to guide the generator toward your exact vision. With a precise description and this example as a template, you're set to create a lovable SaaS quickly and confidently.